Everybody, video here for you today. This is just a follow-up to the video I made yesterday on the 79 pyramids in China. I stopped in this area, kind of ran out of time yesterday, but I'm going to add a whole bunch of them here today. This is an area where there are a bunch of small ones down here. You notice a terracene on this one. These are a bunch of small ones, maybe 15 to 20 of them. And then farther in this area, I should have remembered these down here. This is a very important place right down here. There are a couple large structures down here, one right there and one right here. Let's just measure those very quickly. These are about maybe 570 to 590 feet across, at least that middle area, so those are very big. And it seems these are kind of on an area here of outcropping that is a little bit above the river system, would have been above the river system a long time ago, kind of on a plateau like they are at Giza. Right down here we have another structure. It's not a pyramid, but it seems to be an important place. This area right here should have included that in last night's video, and there are probably 1, 2, 3 other pyramids here, so that is 5 in that area, so that'll push the count total well over 100. Let's go back over here to the west. This 450 footer next to the two large pyramids that were approximately the same size, 490 and 560. But let's look at this a little more closely. I think I got this solved. These ancient pyramids, this one here, looks like a pyramid, four-sided, starting at the corners. Obviously some elevation here. Circle on top of it, but what is going on? Now let's align these perfectly north. You notice these in this area are not perfectly aligned to north. So these all seem to fit, but the Chinese are up to something here. There is a look at the pyramid today. Here are the 3 pyramids right here. Seem to be all aligned in the same way. Let's look at some historical imagery. Here's that area, the most recent overhead shot. Let's go back to 2014, about 6 years ago. That pyramid is not there. Go ahead to about 2018 and it's being started. Something is being constructed right there. And then we come up to today and that pyramid is there. That is very strange. Right down here, seems they have built a pyramid for some reason in the last 6 years. So why would the Chinese be constructing a pyramid? Is this going to be like a tourist center? Well, that's a good question. But they appeared to line it up with these other 2 ancient structures in the area. That is very interesting, but I marked 2 large pyramids, 3 small ones there, 18 small ones at least in that area I showed you at the beginning. So that'll bring it up to over 100, these pyramids in China. So here is a revised look at that pyramid field in China. Over 100 structures that you could call ancient pyramid type structures. This is about 25, 26 miles long, and that just happens to be the distance from Abu Rawash down to Dashur in Egypt. Does that mean anything? I'm not sure. Also want to thank a few people for sending me some locations of some pyramids that were not right in this general vicinity, but I might talk about them in the future. I just thought that was interesting. Pyramid shows up today. Look back about 6 years, it's not there. So what's the answer? Who knows? Leave your thoughts below. That is a quickie. Over 100 pyramids. China right down there. Some more maybe still added in the future. Hope you thought that was cool. You all have a very nice day.